Hi kids, I am Chandrima. Welcome to SDSC Education. We will learn something really exciting today. Today we will learn the new chapter. The chapter name is Sun as a Natural Resource. So kids, don't waste time and let's start. Sun is a natural source of energy. The sun is a star. It gives out heat and light. It does not have a solid surface but is a ball of heat gases. It is at the center of our solar system. The sun appears big as it is much closer to the earth than any other star. The sun is roughly spherical in shape and is much bigger than the earth. It is burning continuously and this helps us to see things around us and feel warmth. Without the sun's energy, there would be no life on the earth. The energy obtained from the sun is called solar energy. And for growth, photosynthesis in plants. Plants make foods like sugar in the presence of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and the green pigment called chlorophyll. Oxygen gas is released during this process. This process to making food is called photosynthesis. Plants store food in their leaves and the energy flows to other animals that eat these leaves. Uses of solar energy. Solar energy is obtained from sunlight. Solar heaters heat water using solar energy. Solar cells can be used to generate electricity from sunlight. It is a device that can convert light energy into electrical energy. Sun's heat separates the salt and the water in seawater. Sun's heat can be used for drying clothes and towels. It is used by plants for the process of photosynthesis. Solar cooker use the sun as the source of energy instead of standard cooking fuels such as charcoal, coal or gas. It has a glass lid over a box in which the food is kept for cooking. When the solar cooker is kept in the sun, the food inside the box gets cooked. It is an effective way of cooking healthy food without using any fuel. Spacecraft and space stations such as the International Space Station often use solar panel to generate power. Every year, Earth experiences 5 seasons: summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. During the year, the seasons change depending on the amount of sunlight reaching the earth. The earth revolves around the sun in its orbit. This movement of the earth is called revolution of the earth. During revolution, depending part and different parts of the earth are closer to or further away from the sun's light. This causes the change of season. Human beings change their food habit and cloth according to season. The resources which are being continuously used by human beings but are renewed by nature constantly are called as renewable resource. This is a never-ending supply of renewable resource in nature. This can be used again and again. The example of renewable resources are sunlight, air and water. The energy we get from this resource is called renewable energy. Solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, etc. are renewable energy. The resources which cannot be easily replaced once they are destroyed are called non-renewable resources. It took thousands of years of time to form the non-renewable resource which exist inside the earth in the form of coal, petroleum, etc. The energy we get from their resource is called non-renewable energy. As they are likely to get used up, we should not waste them and use them carefully. We should prefer to use renewable resources as they will not get exhausted ever. They also help to conserve our environment. Conservation of energy. There are many different ways to reduce our household's energy use. Some of there are whenever possible walk, bike, pull car or use mass transit. Turn off lights, TVs and computers when they are not being used. When purchasing an appliance such as a dishwasher and televisions, look for a model that use maximum energy. Replace light bulbs with compact fluorescent light as they use less energy. Use the correct size burner for your pan. Turn down your water heater thermostat. Clean or replace air filter as recommended. So kids, go through learn the chapter, and any doubt and queries send comment and subscribe my channel.